Good afternoon. We are here in a official press conference with the coach for Trinidad and Tobago, Angus If. So if you have a question, you can raise your hand.
Good night. We in Cunningham, Trinidad and Tobago Television. Coach, you're ringing some changes from game one. You want to tell us about those?
Tristan Hodge had a tight hamstring. Kevin Molino just coming back from football. Coming back into football, he complained that he was really tired and he didn't think he could start. And Aubrey had some little knocks and bruises, so we brought in 3 changes. We were trying to keep the game a little bit tight in the first half so we could go and probably get those players on second half to express ourselves a little bit more.
Well, Jamaica turned up the heat from early. You know, we were 3 goals down. What was going through your mind probably around the 44th minute, you know, going into the halftime in regards to our plan coming back?
Well, I formulated a plan from the time we got the goals. Unfortunately, we seem to be a little bit nervous tonight. I think names probably scare us. And, we really made some bad mistakes tonight. But all in all, I take full blame for the result because I'm the coach of the team.
Going forward, we had a meet the United States later on this week or the weekend. Tell me, I know the mindset is going to win the game, but I want to hear from you, how you're going to go about this matter.
So we just had to pick the guys up. The dressing room is very dejected. This is the first match we lost in about 9 for the season, and we don't normally concede goals. But I thought that the second half, when we came back on, I thought that we were really in the game and we created a lot of chances. I think the handball, we probably should have got a penalty, and we probably be back in the game and make it a little bit nervous for them in the last 15 minutes. But unfortunately, we don't get to see it on the pitch anymore. Last time around, we had a tablet that we could see it. It looked from where we were, the hand was very high in an unnatural position. It was a penalty, then it wasn't a penalty. We didn't have an explanation why not.
Going into the final game, going against the U.S., what were some positive takeaways for you guys to kind of build on going into the match, from today's performance?
I thought the second half, we were way more positive. It seems like we settled down better. Credit to Jamaica, the type of players that they have and the quality that they have in the team, and playing against. We don't have that type of quality, and it's always going to be a struggle. But when you give away soft goals, I thought we gave away a lot of soft goals very early, and so we had to dig ourselves out of a hole. And I think, credit to them for the way they started, and we started really slow. But as I said, I took full blame for it. I tried to keep the game as tight as possible in the first half, so we could go and express ourselves a little bit more in the second half. But we didn't defend well.
Okay, we're finished the press conference. Thank you so much, Coach.
No problem.
And